It was a very good experience, actually. You know, I follow all his instructions. He is very honest, and he pointed out a lot of things that I should do to improve the house and a quick sound. The only thing I didn't like, you know, I have to work a bit harder. But apart from that, it was quite good experience. He suggests to put a furniture, you know, whatever they call, you know, furniture up. And I thought a bit reluctant about that because, you know, it's a cost involved. Then I was so glad that I did, you know, because it finished off the whole house. You know, it shows much better. A lot of people, they have no ideas, you know, when they go into a house and they see a beautiful house, but they still can picture themselves, you know, how it's gonna look. You know, like you put a TV, where do you put the TV and the couch? Once you do all that, it was awesome. When we finished and it was ready, we just done one opening, believe it or not, just one single opening on Saturday, and by Monday it was almost sold. And then I took a holiday to South America, which I just come back from there, you know. We spent a lot of time dancing tango, you know what I mean? Actually, we got more than what I was expecting. My house was, I thought was outstanding, you know, and much better, so I was expecting a bit better price. And then I set a target, and not only reach a target, we got a extra. We got an extra. So, you know, I cannot complain whatsoever. You know, there was an opportunity to just to spend 10-15 minutes doing a bit of a tango in my own home, and then see myself on the TV after. So it turned out quite good, actually. You know, so. It was very good experience. That is another thing that I wasn't very convincing at the beginning, because this video advertising and furniture in the house to me is something new, really, you know, because everything is a bit extra. Yeah, as you know, you put a cost. Following the recommendations, Andrew, I certainly see the value now, because you get extra money, you're selling quick, and you recoup all the money that you spend, right, with the furniture and the video. And so I will suggest to everyone to do some kind of video, especially like this one, you know, the one we done. So yes, I would recommend it to anyone. You know, I'm very happy with Andrew, and not just that, he also sold a block of land before, but unfortunately the block of land was empty, so we couldn't do any tango there. I will recommend it to anyone. I had a lot of experience in the past, you know, in my lifetime. I sold a few houses. You know, I always give average responses, you know, and I always sold the house. But when I met Andrew and then he done those two sales for me, I find it's completely different. I mean, he's very honest, straightforward. He tell you, look, you know, you spend a little bit extra, and then you can achieve better results and quick. Certainly, all this happening, and I'm very happy. I will recommend him to anybody. Es un muchacho muy amigable. He's a very friendly person and understand the customers very well.